Okay, so for the next part, I did weld. I did the full weld all around. So it took me about a day, a full day of welding to do that because there's a lot of weld here and there. The next part is to put back the upper part of the grapple and the cylinder, and to make the hydraulic connection. Stick around. Okay, we finally did the connection up there. So the two hoses from the current cylinder and the grapple cylinder are plugged in parallel. So when we push oil in this one, it pushes in this one. You will see later if it is working according to my plan. It should be great stuff to have this grapple without a third function and yet hydraulic grapple. So we did that. So there will be those hoses to watch carefully so that they don't catch anywhere. So we're going to move a little bit the grapple to see where these holes could be fit. That's pretty much it. We added the hooks on the sides here. You don't see that. They're there. Grease zerks. And a few other stuff. So that's time to try it. Okay, this is not a success. We'll have to add a chain for the limitation of the stroke. We'll see with that. And the worst case scenario is that I get selector valve for the use that cylinder with the other. Okay, take two. We put a link of chain there. You can see this. We have reversed the current cylinder because it was opposite direction. This being done, we have purged mainly the air from the system, which seems to be working better. I suspect with the interlock valve and so much air in the system that might have caused the previous problem we had. We did a quick test and it did work. It's not exactly what I expected, but it's not too far. So we'll show you what we got. Quite a good job. So there's still some air in this system. That's why we have that flex. Okay. So it seems that this angle is a little bit too much because we have too much of a dig with this one.